Welcome to 5-Minute Tech Clash. Today, we're bringing you an exciting showdown between the OPPO Watch X2 vs OPPO Watch X. You can grab yours through the links in the description box below. Starting with the display, the Watch X2 steps up with an LTPO AMOLED panel, which is more power efficient, while the Watch X uses a standard AMOLED screen. The screen size is slightly bigger on the X2 at 1.5 inches, compared to 1.43 inches on the X. Not a huge difference, but noticeable if you like more screen space. Both watches offer the same crisp resolution at 466 by 466 pixels, so you're getting sharp visuals either way. However, when it comes to pixel density, the Watch X edges ahead with 326 ppi, while the X2 comes in at 310 ppi, slightly less dense but still very clear. For protection, no worries on either side. They both use sapphire crystal glass, making them pretty tough against scratches. Battery life is where things get exciting. The OPPO Watch X2 packs a larger 648 mAh battery, which supports up to 16 days of use. In comparison, the Watch X has a 500 mAh battery and offers around 12 days. Charging is evenly matched though. Both support 7.5 watt wired charging, so you won't see a difference in how fast they juice up. Size-wise, the Watch X2 is a bit longer at 47.6 millimeters, while the Watch X sits at 47 millimeters even. Width is the same at 46.6 millimeters, so the difference is subtle. In terms of thickness, the X2 is slimmer at 11.8 millimeters, while the Watch X is a bit chunkier at 12.1 millimeters. Weight-wise, the X2 is just a touch heavier at 49.7 grams, compared to 49 grams on the Watch X. Honestly, you won't feel the difference. Both share the same premium build: sapphire crystal front, plastic back, and stainless steel frame, giving them a solid, durable feel. Features like always-on display, 5 ATM water resistance, microphone and speaker, GLONASS and Galileo support, and 32 GB storage with 2 GB RAM. Yep, both watches have all of that. But the Watch X2 does sneak ahead with Bluetooth 5.2, while the Watch X sticks to Bluetooth 5.0, a small upgrade but worth noting for connectivity. Now, both come equipped with GPS, NFC, Wi-Fi, and an accelerometer, and they run on the same powerful Snapdragon W5 Gen 1 chipset. Where things differ again is in the software. The Watch X2 runs ColorOS Watch 7.0 with Wear OS 5.0, while the Watch X is still on Android Wear OS 4, so the X2 gets the latest updates and features. As for brightness, the Watch X2 crushes it with 2000 nits, doubling the 1000 nits of the Watch X. Outdoor visibility, X2 wins hands down. And here's a big one: ECG support. The OPPO Watch X2 is ECG certified, while the Watch X does not offer this feature at all. So, while both watches bring a lot to the table, there's a bit of a price difference too. The OPPO Watch X2 is priced at $373, while the OPPO Watch X comes in a bit cheaper at $299. You're basically paying extra for that brighter display, longer battery life, newer software, and ECG support on the Watch X2. OPPO Watch X2 Pros: brighter 2000 nits display for better outdoor visibility. Longer battery life, up to 16 days. Cons: higher price at $373. Slightly heavier and larger in size, OPPO Watch X. Pros: more affordable at $299. Higher pixel density, 326 ppi for sharper display. Cons: lower brightness, 1000 nits. No ECG support and older software, Wear OS 4. And the winner is the OPPO Watch X2. Thanks to its larger battery capacity, longer battery life, slimmer design, Bluetooth 5.2, super bright 2000 nit display, and ECG support, it clearly takes the lead over the Watch X. If you're after a more advanced and future-proof smartwatch, the X2 is the one to go for. You can grab yours through the links in the description box below. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Your support means the world to me.